entire first quarter. Eto na sila. Desoyo. Pull up. Wala. Rebound. Ending up with Nunez. Enough time for a heat. Roque.
Whoa! Whoa!
June Roque.
I think it's counted.
Yeah. It looked good.
Grabe.
How about that? Buzzer beater from almost the entire length of the court. 3 points. June Roque banks it home.
Ano ha, saka ano yan ha, running shot.
Yeah.
Hindi lang basta binato. So it's counted.
We're just waiting for the final whistle of the referee.
Yeah.
There you go, it counts. So officially, Perpetual ends the first frame on an 8. Wow.
Leo. Moreno not hesitating, knocking down the 3. Bang! 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 4-point play on the way for Andre Guarino.
They needed that.
That was huge sprints here in this third period. Big three from Guarino.
The lead is now back to double digits.
The miss and the heave. Hey! That will count! But they will have to go to the review. But Rico Porcelo with that heave to end the third period. Let's take a look again. We needed time to breathe. I'm sure even our director, Elmon Salvahan, our game producer, R. Romano, and everybody inside the van. We were talking about it. Di ba sabi ko, last possession San Sebastian. During the break rin, sabi ko, kailangan nila magandang possession, makascore